Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the neon shadow filter on Instagram. And then obviously once you have the filter on Instagram, you can go ahead, take a photo or take a video and then go ahead and post it to TikTok or Snapchat or any other social media you would like to. Anyhow, you just have to go over to Instagram to get this filter. Once you're on Instagram, you want to go to your Discover tab and just go to the top search bar and just search for an account called KristaBell.s. So it's just this account right here. Once you're on her account, you just want to go over to her filters and scroll down under filters, and on the left side you should see the outlines neon filter right here. So when you see that, you want to go ahead and click on that, and then all you have to do here is either save it as a filter or just try it out right here, and then you'll be able to use it in your own photos and videos. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this filter. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.